Okta Workflows already provides a powerful collection of pre-built connectors to popular applications. But how can software vendors create connectors for their applications and provide these to Okta customers? And how can Okta customers create connectors for their homegrown applications? The answer? Okta Workflows Connector Builder. Okta Workflows Connector Builder uses the same no-code drag-and-drop workflow designer as Okta Workflows. So if you're familiar with Okta Workflows, your application's APIs, and you know the use case you're trying to address, you're good to go. With Okta Workflows Connector Builder, you're able to configure custom-branded connectors containing the logic from application authentication to response and everything in between without having to write a single line of code. Then use these connectors in Okta Workflows or submit them to Okta for inclusion in the Okta integration network.